Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1960 Corvette convertible, matching numbers. This is one of 56. It comes with a white hardtop. It also has power windows. As you can see, the switch for the power windows, but it also has a power top. And the toggle switch for the power top is right down there. It's kind of difficult to see right above the radio. So it's one of 56 with white hardtop, power windows, and power top. So very rare car, beautiful looking vehicle. We'll start it up, also show you the underneath of it shortly here. It is powered by a 283 3-speed manual transmission, as you can see here. And again, the paint is in absolutely fabulous condition. This vehicle has been fully restored. It is matching numbers, folks, so all the Corvette fans out there that are going to be asking, it is matching numbers. It does have the original front plate on it, as you can see, 1960 plate. The paint is in fabulous shape. We'll just kind of show you the front. And again, it has been completely restored. Truly an icon and a legend. You see the white coves with the red paint, black interior. The exhaust coming out the fenders here as it should. It also comes with, as you can see in the trunk, it comes with two covers, a little bit more heavier cover and a nice soft cover. And then it does have some pictures, a photograph of the history of the vehicle. It was finished in 2021, as you can see. And you can kind of see some pictures of the restoration. It comes with the car. I'm not going to go through them all, but they are here. It does come with it. And again, a beautiful restoration, very well done. Go ahead and shut it. As you can see, it closes very nicely. We'll start the vehicle up, let you listen to it, and then we'll get it up in the air. So let's get in the vehicle here. You can see the odometer says 3,062 miles. The miles are exempt here in Florida. As you hear it starts right up. It does have the original owner's manual. Interior is in great shape, as I mentioned. The power windows, just very, very well done, as designed and as it would have been in 1960 coming out of the factory. Very classy, well done car. It is collector material, but it also a vehicle that you can run to a Saturday show or go out to Sunday breakfast, or just store it in your garage. Again, beautiful white walls that matches the white cove. True icon. Again, you can hear the engine run. Again, it's matching numbers, 1960 Corvette, one of 56. The engine, as you can hear, it just hums as it should. No knocking, no ticks. We'll shut it off here. But it also has, we're inside, so we disconnect the battery before I go ahead and raise it. But it does have a battery disconnect that you can see right down here. Sorry, right here. Disconnect the battery. We're inside here. Again, beautiful, well done vehicle. Turn the air on. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you're not in Florida, we do offer shipping. We will manage shipping for you anywhere in the country and or worldwide, shipping door to door. Kayla manages all our shipping for us. She does an excellent job. She's shipped all over the world this year and for the last 9 years, so very experienced. We use insured and bonded carriers, so your car will be taken very well care of. If you need to transport it anywhere, we can manage that for you. If you need financing, we do have several finance partners that focus on classic car lending, so we can certainly help you get financing if you're looking into financing as well. Again, you can see more pictures of the vehicle on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. As we go underneath this, you will see that the underside is just as clean, just as impressive as the top side on this 1960 Corvette. Truly a legend. You can see the 283 painted as it would have been coming out of the factory in 1960. Very clean. Frame is straight, clean. Floorboards are in great shape. No rot, no rust or corrosion on this vehicle. Again, it's been stored in an air-conditioned and heated environment. Very clean vehicle. You can see it's very well taken care of. The bushings are in great shape. It does have spare tire, fairly new exhaust, as you can see. Again, if you're interested, please see classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call at 941-355-1955 so we can answer more of your questions or complete the deal if you are interested in having this in your garage and taking this out to shows or just out to dinner with your friends. Again, one of 56, this 1960 Corvette 283 comes with a white hardtop. It also has a soft top, but it is one of 56 that comes with a white hardtop, power top, and also power windows. The power top is very rare attribute for this beautiful 1960.